And Steve from EstateMax here with you today, coming to you live. Our estate sale will be in Potomac, Maryland, address to be announced. It's a gorgeous 8,000 square foot house nestled in the middle of trendy Potomac, Maryland. Love that etage. We'll announce the address the day before the sale, but again, it's going to be Friday, Saturday, Sunday, August 23, 24, 25. All kinds of neat stuff. We rearranged a lot of things, so you'll find furniture in places that doesn't always make sense because we spread things out a bit in some areas and we consolidated in other areas. There's a lot of stuff here spread out over 8,000 square feet. Doesn't look like as much, but trust me, it is. A lot of handmade rugs, beautiful handmade rugs all over the place here. A lot of objects to art, a lot of horses. The lady of the house was a very famous horse lady, and she moved to other digs. She's still here. Some beautiful glass objects on the way to looking in on this little sitting room. Love the tasseled chairs, the very classy look. Nice table. This is a vibrating chair, very high quality, fun to sit in. Some beautiful leather club chairs and aqua chair and hand painted dresser here with a pretty lamp on top. This study type room would make a great room for an art center. Look at this desk setup. You could use this as a centerpiece for a really interesting artsy enclave within a home. Look at the size of this pretty thing. Couple of rifle cases, picture frames, pretty blue handmade, handcrafted rug. Again, it's an electronic sound bar sitting down there. There's a lot of neat stereo equipment here. Coming into the open format great room today. Beautiful room. Great oak cabinetry there. Carved wooden accessories. Beautiful art chairs. We call these the leopard chairs. Leopard chairs are quite trendy. More of your high fringe on that settee there. Pretty hand-carved desk. That's a real antique hand-carved desk. Look at the woodworking in that thing. We have transformed a media center into a library. For only $2, you can get your choice of any of these books or DVDs for just $2 while supplies last. A lot of nice stuff there. Well picked, well suited for a broad variety of tastes. Some more really pretty upholstered chairs. Nice canning job there. So we're in the middle of the great room now. Yes, that is a wooden Chinese saddle. Beautiful handmade blue rug. This is a sleep sofa. Walking towards the back of the house, where you'll find a beautiful paper mache lady on the wall waiting for you. Working our way back towards the kitchen is the back side of the great room, including the electronics of the house, an integrated receiver, very high quality, some EstateMAX switching systems, high quality Canadian subwoofer system. You electronics people will know what this is. And we've got some select sterling silver and costume silver back here, including some artwork. In the back you'll see some tapestries and wall hangs and other pretty rugs. Nice quilt. Again, we're in the very back right-hand corner of the house. Everything you see in here is for sale. In Potomac, Maryland. Beautiful, beautiful setup. Now we're going to swing around to the kitchen from the back way. Some turn-of-the-century antique pieces brought just for fun. Great kitchen accoutrement. Love that clock. As usual with EstateMax sales, make offers on things that aren't marked. We'll try to accommodate wherever possible. decorative hand-painted wine containers of various types, I think they are. So we're done with the first floor. Let's take a run downstairs. Now this is a truly eclectic mix of things downstairs. From a graph to a electronic turntable you can plug into a USB port, to some super high quality Kohler plumbing units, to separate electronic units, tables, Sennheiser headphones, universal remote control. That's a Wii 2 video game controller. It's an original Microsoft hand controller. That's got to be worth something. Some pretty stuff. There's some martial arts stuff. There's a lot of decor. This box contains, or this bag contains martial arts goodies for practicing your medieval martial arts. So again, we're in the purple basement, where you're going to find purple high-back chairs. Where else would you find them? We also have cream-colored chairs, very nice quality. On the back wall, we have some kids' stuff. There's a hobby horse, some kids' play toys, classic books, fondue maker, disco light, a lot of decor, walnut, iron base table. I love the base on this table. We're in the basement now. It's really pretty. Glass table set up. Some more wing chairs. There's a barrel. Love this mirror. You can hardly see it because mirrors are reflective. Matches the chair. Kids' chairs, rocking chairs. There's a steel cabinet. Be great for a lot of purposes. There's a poker game. There's a really nice double couch setup, perfect for a media room, which they had down here. You have some sporting equipment, a model of the Chesapeake lightship. A lot of fun stuff, a lot of movie theater type stuff. Posters, storage and containers. My Dog Skip. Green Mile. Oh, these brass movie theater screening devices. Bar stools, mirrors, more picture frames. Nice decorative mirror there. Working our way around. A couple nice cocktail tables. So two of them, they're stuck together, but you can separate them. Pretty lamp. Picture frame heaven. Television set. And we've come full circle now. Of course, we have garage things in the garage, including this portable outdoor heating system, storage boxes, miscellaneous items. There's an armored container for golf clubs, so you can take them through the airport. Land use stuff like shovels and lawn equipment. Miscellaneous pots and pans. Again, we're in the garage. These are pretty much on price, so make us an offer on whatever you like down here. We've now just brought you up the spiral staircase. Most of the items upstairs have been consolidated into just 2 rooms, so you'll see you're at the top of the stairs now. A little settee type thing there. Coming into a secondary bedroom with another beautiful handmade rug. How about that? A lot of things kids grew up with. Including some books, mementos, storage bench, dolls, wicker chair with another doll. We're in the number 2 guest bedroom upstairs, including a lot of ladies' apparel, some neat furniture, shoes, odds and ends, cool hats, more costume jewelry, a little stereo. Little ladies' apparel, linens and quilty things, and things you throw on beds. And your requisite walk-in closet. A lot of odds and ends, and scarves and dresses and skirts and things like that. So it's Steve from EstateMax saying we'll see you this Friday for early birds at 10 a.m. in beautiful Potomac, Maryland. Address to be announced the day before on estatesales.net or our Facebook page cleverly entitled EstateMax. It's not one to be missed. There's a lot of stuff here. You will really enjoy this sale, so bring a friend. Bring some help to move stuff too, a big vehicle. We'll see you then.